Alright, welcome to the demo video for CS122b Project 3. My name is Hui Keng Huang, and I am in team 13. Okay, so preparation before the video, SSH. So I'm already on the SSH, and then prepared my MySQL database, which I did. Remove git repo. I don't have the git repo right now. Prepare the XML files. So this is my XML file folder, and then make sure they're running. Okay. Next demo on AWS commit check. Git clone your git repo. So this is my git repo. Then password. Okay, now next cd into your repo and run git log. Git log, and this one would be my latest commit. Okay, and then let's stop it for now. Next, show your database and data on AWS. So first, show data counts. So this is the number of stars and number of movies. The next, show your encrypted password. Okay, so this is the customer table, and as you can see, the password column is already encrypted. Okay, and then show you do not have the movies that will be entered. So this is before the parsing. So okay, so there's nothing shows up. That means it's not in there. Okay, next, inside your repo, build a war file. Build success. Now check web apps. So nothing's in here yet. And then now we want to copy the whole file to web apps. And then show the directory again. So the whole file now is in here. Okay, next, show your XML parsing. So first, move the XML data files. So first of all, I need to move this folder into my git repo. And okay, now it should be in the git repo. Okay, it's in here now. Okay, next, build and execute your parser. So for my parser, I have a Java program for it. So I'm gonna call maven and execute that Java program. So the Java program that I have is it's in the source folder. It's called sex parser 1 and sex parser 2. So I'm going to call sex parser 1 first. So right now the program is printing out the inconsistent report. So these are all the entries, all the records that has inconsistent data. Okay, now I'll parse the rest. So parser 1 parse the film and actor, and parser 2 will parse the cast file. So this one also prints out the inconsistent report. So it shows like which element, like this is the film name. The film name doesn't have an actor or has a bad corrupted actor. Yeah, so the inconsistency report should be output to the console. Yeah, so right now it's outputting to the console. And right now I'm just waiting for the program to insert all the data into the database. So in addition to the inconsistency report output to console, I also have a file that basically copy and paste all the inconsistency report, just so there's a record for it. So I saved all the inconsistency report in this txt file right here. Okay, so it's finished parsing. So the time is around 2 to 3 minutes, including the first parser. So now use HTTPS. So now I have to do one more step, which is to add this thing into the web XML. So I'm gonna do that right now. I need to go to I need to go to the Tomcat web apps. So now go to the it's called webinf, and then need to modify the web.xml file. So sudo nano. So this is the web XML file. So I have to add this block inside the file. So I just add it here, and then I save the file. Okay, now we should be good. Now I should also reload. So if we refresh, the project's here, but I have to reload it. Okay, now use HTTPS to go to your website. So if I click on here, it was still in HTTPS, and then if I try to change it to HTTP, so it'll redirect me back to HTTPS. Okay, now login with customer credential. First, without using recaptcha. So okay, let's do email.com. Without recaptcha. It says recaptcha verification error. Now use the recaptcha and login again. So I do recaptcha and login. And now I logged in successfully. Next, show so that there's no access to employee dashboard. Okay, so let's say I want to go to the dashboard, right? So I'll get redirected back here. Like for example, let's say I go to another website and then do dashboard except HTML. I'll get redirected back to here. Okay, next, login with employee credential. Okay, now I'll log out, and then there's an employee tab button right here. So if I click on it, I'll go to the employee login. So if I log in, I'll be redirected to the dashboard, and then go to the dashboard, skim through the metadata. So this is the metadata section. It includes all the tables, all the attributes, and all the type of attributes. Everything right here. Okay, and then go to add a star. So enter a star name, star1. So star1, and then birth year 2021. Add it. So if I click add star, there's a confirmation. Shows the star name and the star ID. And then go to add a movie, enter a movie, movie 1, and then director 1, then year 2021, genre 1, then star 2. So it says a confirmation message should be displayed. So let's click add movie. There's the title, and then with movie ID, genre ID, and star ID. Okay, and then next, movie 2, director 1, year 2021, genre 1, and star 1. So added, a confirmation page should display. Okay, so all the info are displayed. And then next, enter movie name 1, director name 1, year 2021, genre 2, and then start to. So if I added, an error message was saying that it's a duplicate. So if I click add movie, it says fail to add movie already exists. Okay, next, as XML part is finished, examine the data you entered. So browse the movie by genre 1. So if I go to home page and then browse by genre. So there's a genre runner here. If I click on it, there's the 2 movies that we just added. Movie 1 and movie 2 should show up, right? And then click each of the movies to go to a single movie page. So movie 1, there's all the info and the star. And then let's go back, and movie 2, there's all the info. Okay, now search movie by title movie. So go to home, search movie by title movie. The same. So if I search by movie, right, the same movie should show up. Here, the movie 1 is right here, and then movie 2 is right here. Okay. So choose any of the 2 movies from the following and display the single movie page of each. Okay, so let's go back to home, and then let's search for Mission Impossible. Okay, it's right here, and then we need to go to the single movie page. Okay, so this is all the information about this movie. Okay, and then let's search another movie. Let's search The Godfather. So it's the first one. So this is all the information about this movie, about Godfather. Okay, and then now finally show your inconsistency report. So just like I mentioned, my parser would output the inconsistent report to the console, but in addition to that, I copy all this inconsistency report into a text file, which I included in my repo. So so it shows all the film inconsistency, and then all the film and the actors and the cast. All the inconsistent report will be here. And okay, now we're done. So that's it for the demo, and thank you for watching.